I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new one of these every week. This is episode 79, and it's actually part 2 in a 6-part series. Today, we're going to be talking about loyalty. As your real estate agent, my responsibilities to you could be wrapped up in a simple term, OLDCAR. Each letter represents a different obligation. See episode 63 for more of an overview. Today we're talking about loyalty. As your agent, I would be responsible for being loyal only to you. My obligation as a real estate agent is to make sure my client's best interests are protected. An example would be to make sure the work that I'm doing is benefiting you. If I know the other side should have asked for information or for something to be scheduled but hasn't, it's not my job to remind them if it doesn't benefit my client. Things such as making sure that the due diligence request is submitted on time to my seller is the obligation of the buyer's agent. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.